What if everything you were taught about the world is a lie? What if the ground beneath your feet isn't spinning through endless space, and the sky above isn't empty, but a solid dome holding back unimaginable waters? Could it be that our entire reality has been hidden from us, right in plain sight? For centuries, humanity has believed in a globe, a vast, spinning sphere floating in infinite space. Satellites, rockets, and textbooks tell us this is truth. But the signs in the sky, the movement of the stars, the rising and setting of the sun, they tell a very different story. They point to a world far older, far more mysterious, and far more deliberate than science would have you believe. Ancient civilizations, from the Hebrews to the Babylonians, from the Egyptians to the Norse, all spoke of a firmament, a solid dome above the earth, with waters above it, and a world below fixed and immovable. Could it be that the modern globe theory has obscured a reality that has existed since the dawn of creation? Tonight, we explore the hidden dome, the waters above and the flat earth beneath our feet. This is not speculation. This is not myth. This is a journey into the truth that has been kept from the masses. Are you ready to see the world as it really is? Welcome to Bible Stories 1983. Where scripture comes alive with depth, drama, and revelation. If you enjoy exploring the hidden treasures of the Bible, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. Look up at the sky tonight. See the stars glittering in perfect patterns, the moon rising and setting, the sun tracing its path across the horizon. At first glance, it seems ordinary, but when you pay closer attention, a mystery emerges. If the Earth were a spinning globe, hurtling through space at thousands of miles per hour, why do the stars appear fixed? Why do constellations return to the exact same place every year, night after night, without fail? And how does the sun rise and set with perfect regularity, as if following a track above a flat plane, rather than orbiting a ball spinning at unimaginable speeds? Ancient civilizations understood this. They described the heavens as a dome, with the sun, moon, and stars moving inside it, circling above the flat earth. The North Star, the eternal anchor of the heavens, does not move, just as you would expect in a flat earth under a firmament. The other stars rotate in circles around it, forming the celestial clock that humanity has followed for millennia. Clouds float beneath this dome, rain falls from windows in the sky, and the heavens themselves are a protective ceiling. The patterns above are not random, they are evidence of order, design, and structure, a cosmic blueprint that makes sense only when we understand the earth is flat and the sky is a controlled environment, a dome separating us from the waters above. Tonight, we begin to see the world not as textbooks tell us, but as it truly is, a flat, stable earth suspended under a vast, mysterious dome, with signs in the sky that point to its hidden truth. Above the dome that stretches over our heads lies a secret few have truly seen or even imagined. The ancients called it the waters above, a vast reservoir beyond the sky, separated from the seas below by a solid firmament. Every drop of rain, every storm that floods the land comes from these hidden waters, as if the heavens themselves are a living, breathing system. Think about it. In the story of Noah, the flood came not only from the rivers and seas, but from the windows of heaven being opened. Could such a thing make sense if the sky were nothing more than empty space? The Bible, the oldest texts and countless eyewitness accounts, describe waters above a dome, ready to pour down, a testament to the reality above us that modern science refuses to acknowledge. Even today, explorers and researchers speak of Antarctica as a boundary, a frozen barrier encircling the flat Earth. Could it be that these waters above extend to the edges of our world, held in place by the dome, containing the vast oceans above and protecting everything below? This is not mere myth. The very storms we witness, the rain that nourishes the earth, the patterns of clouds that drift across the sky, all point to a world carefully structured, contained, and governed. The waters above are a reminder that we are not spinning helplessly in infinite space. We exist beneath a designed system, under a firmament, shielded by waters beyond. Tonight, the hidden layers of our world begin to reveal themselves. A flat earth under a dome, with cosmic waters above. A truth hidden from the many, but waiting for the curious to see. For centuries, we've been told the earth is a globe, a spinning ball hurtling through infinite space, orbiting a distant sun. Maps, textbooks, satellites, even rockets all reinforce this idea. But when you look closer, cracks in the story appear, questions left unanswered, evidence quietly ignored. Why is Antarctica off limits to ordinary travelers? Why are the edges of the world hidden behind ice and secrecy? Why does the sun rise and set in perfect patterns over thousands of years if we are spinning and moving at unimaginable speeds through a void? All around us, the globe theory falters. Airplane flight paths, horizon observations, water levels, they defy the spinning sphere narrative. And yet, the truth remains locked away, as if someone doesn't want us to see the world as it really is. The flat Earth model, with its dome above, explains these mysteries effortlessly. The sun moves above a stable plane. The horizon always rises to eye level. The stars rotate predictably around the North Star. Everything is consistent with a world contained, fixed, and deliberately designed. Tonight, we challenge the illusion. The globe, the spinning earth, the infinite vacuum above it is not the reality you think. The true world is flat, stable, and enclosed beneath a dome, with waters above and boundaries that have kept us in awe for millennia. The question is no longer, is the globe real? The question is, how long will the truth remain hidden from the world? The flat earth, the dome above, the waters beyond, this is not just a physical reality. It is a message, a signal, a reminder that the world is created with intention and order. Every layer, every boundary, every star in the sky points to a design far greater than our eyes can fully comprehend. The dome is more than a ceiling, it is a veil between the known and the divine. The waters above are not just rainmakers, they are a reminder of the heavens, of the mysteries beyond our reach, of the life and power that governs all. Humanity was placed here, on a stable earth under protection, in a world where everything is observable, measurable, and intentional. Look at the stars, look at the sun, look at the oceans. All follow laws, all move in harmony, all obey a system that is fixed, not chaotic. In the flat earth model, the heavens are not random. They are a clock, a pattern, a story written into the very fabric of the dome. This truth changes everything. It is not only about the shape of the world, it is about understanding our place in it. We are not lost travelers spinning in an infinite void. We are inhabitants of a world designed for life, order, and purpose. The dome above protects us, the waters above sustain us, and the earth beneath our feet is steady, fixed, and real. Tonight, as we look at the sky, we see more than clouds and stars. We see proof of intention. We see the hand of design. We see the world as it truly is, a flat earth, enclosed beneath a dome, alive with meaning, and waiting for those who dare to see the truth. From the very first verses of Genesis, the world is revealed to us in layers. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. Genesis 1:1-2. On the second day, God said, "Let there be a vault to separate the waters from the waters." And so the sky was made, separating the waters below from the waters above. Genesis 1:6-8. But here is the mystery. Where exactly are those waters above the sky? Are they literally above the dome, like an ocean stretched over the heavens? Is this why we live beneath a protective firmament, shielded from what lies above? And what if our dome is not the only one? Could there be other domes, other Earths, hidden behind the ice barriers of Antarctica? Could some of the strange sightings, UFOs, and alien encounters actually be people living on another world, another Earth, just beyond our known boundaries? The Bible gives us a framework, but it leaves the details hidden, an invitation to explore, to question, to look beyond the horizon of what we are told. The waters above, the dome, the edges of our world, they are mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So the question remains, where is the water above? Are there other domes like ours? Are we alone on this earth, or is there more than one world hidden beyond the ice? The truth is out there, waiting. Are you ready to see it?